for this?
Absolutely.
It's so sick. I love it. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, is it going now?
Yeah, it is going. But
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Anyway,
here we are. We're gonna start. We're gonna start it off by cutting it off, just so it's enough room to get the stick of it.
Yeah. So the tang. So let me
Tang.
Yeah. So let me kind of break it down a little bit.
Dirty.
So the tang is, you know, it's a big boy. So pretty much what we need to do is we need to get this section called the tang into that, and we need to make sure everything goes smoothly. Nolty. We're getting into the final products. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's get it done. Okay, just come over here.
How do you flip your camera on?
You just tap it, right?
It's not working.
Can you do that? Yeah. Nice and easy.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Antler stinks!
It does.
Jesus.
Holy shit, actually does smell like
That
shit.
fucking stinks,
Yo, what
bro.
does it smell like, man?
Couldn't tell you.
It smells like shit, actually. Never knew that.
That stinks, man.
Yeah, I never realized that.
Well, have you ever burned hair before?
It kind of smells like that, yeah.
It kind of smells like burnt hair. That's
Yeah.
a good relation to it. I guess it liked it, the higher truck speed.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep an eye on it.
Cool.
Nice.
And now we're beefing up to the bigger bit.
Yeah.
The final drill.
The thick boy.
The thick boy.
Yeah. Whew, more antler stank. Stanks.
Okay.
Dude, this is great. Good job so far.
I like this a lot.
Yeah. How's your hand? Do you fuck your hand?
No, not at all.
Okay. Dude, that's actually sick now that we got that. Okay, so now the hard part. Okay, so we made one incision, now we just gotta make it wider. So we got it to fit. We just simply gotta make the fittings now on the antler handle, and we'll be pretty good.
Yeah. I don't know how this is. It'll make a good corner for it to dig into.
Yeah.
But as of fitting the actual whole fucking blade into it, and obviously the blade is 3 times as 4 times as thick as the blade here. So it'll be a good starting point. But then after that, I think we're gonna have to rely on the
Hold up.
whole.
Hold up a second. Okay.
Yeah. Bro, that is so fucking sick.
Man, you did most of the drilling.
God.
I did a bit of sawing and all that stuff.
You had the idea, bro, and oh my god,
Helle Lapland.
it is panning out.
Very well.
I can't wait to see what the leather looks on top of it to cover up this,
I don't even know if it's going to be worth it to do that because it looks so great on the anyway.
We'll definitely, absolutely, we'll try it out. We'll definitely epoxy it and see what it looks like after that. We'll smooth this guy out. The epoxy will fill the little hole we have in it right there.
Yeah.
You can even see
That's a
the
big hole, to be
blade
honest.
right there.
Yeah.
But when you throw a little bit of tape on it, it'll smooth it all out.
Yeah.
But
now the time sensitive shit.
wait to see the final product.
Yeah, exactly, buddy. Essentially what we gotta do is we just gotta pretty much all set and good to go. We just need to put in a bit of epoxy. Yep, so we got the handle here. We got
the helmet and it's clearly covering the hole.
There we go. Perfect, yeah. Just so we can snap it off. So good. And then we just gotta punch this out. There we go. Oh, there. So let's go! Freaking cool, buddy.
Oh,
What do you do, buddy?
I'm trying to mix it.
No, okay. How you doing?
Good. I'm getting a lot on the pencil and trying to get all the air bubbles out of the...
Don't worry about the air bubbles. We can do that as soon as we're done tapping because there'll be availability, right? Okay. That should do it. Okay, that's enough. Nolt, hold on. Okay, that's enough. Nolt, okay. Pull it up.
That's here. Take this paper towel. Wipe down the actual rim of the antler with it.
Okay. I think that'll do it. We just need to clamp it now. So, down like so. Just gotta keep it there like so for about half hour. Place it down somewhere still, buddy.
This is funkin' sick.
No, we just need to make sure it sits for half hour, bud.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, where's the rest of the instructions here? Okay, roll that. Turn this on, bud. How do you turn this on, bud?
There's a little button. Press that button. Stomp on it. No. My light might be dead.
Nope. Sit. Sit. Oh, thank you. Good boy.
Fuck you.
It's so sick. I love it.